In this module, we'll be covering how to leverage Chocolatey and JumpCloud. Before we begin, you'll need to have a Windows system already running the JumpCloud agent and connected to your JumpCloud org. Logging into the JumpCloud admin portal, we want to navigate to the Commands menu. We'll come back here in a moment. Following the link to JumpCloud's GitHub page for Chocolatey, we'll want to create a few Windows commands to install Chocolatey, update packages, and we'll create a command to install Notepad++ as well. From JumpCloud's GitHub, you can copy and paste the PowerShell commands into JumpCloud's commands, shown in my example here. We'll first need to install Chocolatey across my entire Windows system fleet. Thus, I'll bind this install Chocolatey command to my Windows systems group I've created. Once the command has been saved, you'll then want to run the command and wait for its successful completion. Once Chocolatey has been installed, you can now install packages remotely using the Choco commands. In our example, I will install Notepad++ remotely on my Windows systems. I will ensure that the install Notepad++ command is bound to my Windows system group and execute. Within a few minutes, we'll get the return from the command stating that the installation has completed. We can now see that I've installed Notepad++ remotely and easily using the JumpCloud commands and Chocolatey. To find out more on JumpCloud, Chocolatey, and leveraging JumpCloud commands, please check out our knowledge base and GitHub for more details.